Have you ever scrubbed for hours only to realize the stain just won't budge? I've been there. But then Steamify sent me their steam cleaner. And let me tell you, this gadget may have just changed the way I deep clean forever. This disgusting mess is what happens when you have 6 kids and don't clean under your fridge for 5 years. Something apparently spilled and fossilized, and there is absolutely no getting it up by normal means. I grabbed the steam cleaner on a whim, thinking it's possible it could save me from the hours of soaking and scraping I think are likely necessary to get this goop up. I give the first little section a once-over with the steam and a little scrub, and then I try the scraper again. It's unreal how easy it is to pull up this mess. I'm shocked at what a difference a little bit of steam made. In a few minutes, the whole disaster is clean, and I can use those saved hours to clean something else. I go in search of more gross things and come upon some stained vinyl flooring. A few weeks ago, I did discover this can be tackled with a spin scrubber with quite a bit of success, but it still requires a fair amount of effort. I wonder if the steam cleaner can cut down on that work. And I'm glad I wondered because holy cow, this just pulled up all the brown staining in seconds. No scrubbing, no chemicals, just steam. And honestly, I did not expect it to be this satisfying. Now, onto some gross windows that haven't been cleaned in way too long. The steam loosens layers of dirt and grime, allowing for the squeegee attachment to effortlessly pull it all away. I'm shocked at how much this thing can do. The Steamify steam cleaner didn't just meet my expectations, it really exceeded them. Whether it's floors, grout, or even fabric, this thing does it all. So yeah, I'd say it's worth it. I'm not even sure I need a spin scrubber anymore because the steam cleaner can do everything it can do with way less effort. If you're looking for a way to make really tough grime easy to clean without chemicals, this is absolutely the answer. I'll put a link in the description if you want to check it out, and if you want to see more reviews like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.